Guys, check out my tomatoes. They are just super healthy. I'm here in South Florida in 10B, and you can tell we're here beginning in February, and this thing is just loaded with flowers. It's just got a million flowers, and you can tell it's very healthy. I haven't cut out any suckers or anything. I just kind of did it as an experiment, just left it, and you can tell. You can see all the tomatoes everywhere. See? Just full of tomatoes. More coming and more flowers coming. And like I said, I really didn't do much to it. I haven't touched it, just let it run its course. And check this out. See in here? We get some already coming for our salad today. So I'll be taking those out. Now, I did want to share with you something that I'm actually used here, and I think a lot of the success here you can attribute it to this. 'Cause I've never had them be this kind of flowering so much, and just haven't had any issues at all, any pests or diseases on them. So it's been really good. And what I've been using is this. It's a good dirt you have here. The plant food, which is a concentrated, and you can mix and make food for the plants, and also the plant biotics, which have beneficial microbes. And well, you have the proof right here in the success. And I've been gardening for a while, so I haven't had this year I tried that, and then it's really surprised me how well it's done. So I actually got in touch with them, and I started putting that in my shop. So if you want to get it, you can get it in my shop and try it out and see if you have the same success. They look really great, and it's only like 2 plants actually. So, and they really got more here. It's just they're all over the place. I love the smell of tomato leaves. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. God bless.